Здравствуйте, привет, and hello. Welcome to another video about learning the Russian language. In the last video, we introduced adjectives. In this video, we're going to go over a few more, this time in the form of colors. So, цвета are colors, plural. Цвет is color, singular. So let's go over some colors in Russian. First of all, remember that all nouns or all adjectives in Russian describe nouns of 4 types. So nouns have a gender and they could be male. Male nouns often end in a consonant. Not always. We know that example of a dad, which is papa, which ends in a vowel. But for the most part, male nouns end in consonants in Russian. It's a good rule of thumb, even though there are exceptions. Then there are female nouns. These often end in the vowel a. So, like mama ends in a and it's female. Again, exceptions. Papa also ends in a, but there are more that follow the rule than there are that break it. And then finally, the last gender in Russian is neutral. Good rule of thumb, nouns that end in o are often neutral. So remember, window in Russian, окно, it ends in o, and it is a neutral noun. So if you forgot, in Russian, nouns all have genders, even inanimate objects like tables, houses, cars, all those objects, they can be male, female, or neutral. It's not just people. And then, of course, there's the 4th category, and that is plural. In this one, gender doesn't matter. But these 4 categories are the 4 types of nouns, and adjectives that describe these nouns, they have an ending that gets modified depending on the category. So, there's an advantage in the endings for colors. Unlike the other nouns that we went over, those nouns, they had few different types of endings. But for colors, there's just one, and there's only exceptions in blue. So aside from the color blue, light blue and dark blue, all the colors that describe a male noun end in y. Y. All the colors that describe a female noun end in aya. Aya. For neutral, oye, oye, and for plural, uya, uya. So these should be easier. You should only have to memorize the roots of the color, and then the endings are all the same with the exception of blue. So in this video, we're going to go through about half the colors first. Then we're going to do a little review and some example sentences. And then we're going to do the other half and the last review and some examples. And then that'll be it for the video on colors. So, let's get started. The first color is red. So the male form, repeat after me, is красный. 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 For female, it's красная. For neutral, it's красное. And then for plural, it's красные. That is the color red. Next, we have pink. You can think of this as rose because that is where the name for the color came from. So we have male розовый, розовый, розовый. And then the other forms, розовая, розовая, and розовые. That is pink. Next we have orange. So the male form is оранжевый, оранжевый, оранжевый. And the other forms, оранжевая, оранжевое, and оранжевые. Next is yellow. So repeat after me. Желтый, желтая, желтые, and желтые. Okay, then we have green. The male form is зеленый, зеленый. And then we have зеленая, зеленое, and зеленые. Now we've come to blue. So, in Russian, there are actually two types of blue. They're considered different colors, and it's kind of like with red and pink. Red and pink are considered two different colors. They have two different names, but pink is just a light red. This is the same thing. In Russian, there's a difference between blue and light blue. They have two different names. So this is blue, or the darker form. And again, the exceptions with the endings, I have underlined them, how these endings are different from all the others. So, for male, we have синий. Female is синяя. Neutral is синее. And plural is синие. And that is the darker blue. Next we have light blue. And this one is only different, the ending is only different in the male form. So, repeat after me. We have голубой, голубая, голубое, and голубые. This is the lighter blue. So now we're about halfway done. Let's go through some practice sentences. At the top, you see the sentence or the question, какого цвета blank? That means what color is blank? Now, notice, какого. Do you hear how I pronounced it? It's written какого, but it's pronounced какого. So, for the most part, in Russian, what you see is what you read. But there are some exceptions. One of them is, one of the common exceptions is when a word ends in g or, it is pronounced v or. So, какого цвета blank? What color is blank? Now, let's have this practice sentence. Какого цвета роза? What color is the rose? Now you see роза has an a ending, so you know it's female. Она красная. She's red. What color is the rose? She's red. Notice it's not it's red because nouns have genders, and in this case, a rose is female. Какого цвета роза? Она красная. Alright, let's go through some more examples. Какого цвета банан? What color is the banana? It ends in a consonant, so it is male. Он желтый. The banana is yellow, or he's yellow. Okay, next. Какого цвета елка? What color is the fir tree? This is female, so она зеленая. It's green. Next. Какого цвета окно? What color is the window? We know window is neutral. Оно голубое. It's light blue. And then finally, какого цвета шорты? What color are the shorts? And just like in English, shorts is plural. So, они розовые. They are pink. Alright, let's get back to the colors. We are a little over halfway through. So our next color is purple or violet. So the male form is фиолетовый. Let's break that down. Фиолетовый. 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 That is the male form. The other forms are фиолетовая, фиолетовое, and фиолетовые. That is purple or violet. Next we have brown. Repeat after me. Коричневый. That's male. Коричневый. 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 That is male. The other forms are коричневая, коричневое, and коричневые. We're almost done. There are 3 more colors. So, white is белый, белая, белое, and белые. Gray is серый, серая, серое, and серые. And finally, black is черный, черная, черное, and черные. Alright, that is it for the colors. So let's do a quick review. Remember our question, какого цвета blank, which means what color is blank. Какого цвета кот? What color is the cat? Он белый. He's white. So let's do a few more practice sentences. Какого цвета пианино? Pianina is piano, and it ends in o, so we know it's most likely a neutral object, and it is. Какого цвета пианино? Оно коричневое. It is brown. Next. Какого цвета лампа? What color is the lamp? It's a female object. Она фиолетовая. It is purple. Alright, in the bottom left corner we have some red eyes. Now eyes is plural. Какого цвета глаза? Они красные. They are red. So we use the plural form of red. And then finally, in the bottom right corner, you should remember this word from the alphabet videos. Жук is bug, and it is male. Какого цвета жук? Он черный. He's black. And that is it. Those are all our colors. This is a summary table here. And we have in the first column the male form of every color, followed by female, neutral, and plural. So if you want to take a screenshot of this, it'll be a good table for review and for practice. All of the colors on the color wheel in their 4 forms. And that is it for colors. Give yourself a big pat on the back for making it this far. You're probably not going to remember all the colors just from going through the video once. So make sure to watch it again and again until you remember all these colors. Practice it, practice writing it down, and practice the pronunciation. In our next video, we are going to go over family and family members. So you're going to learn more than just mama and papa, which would be really nice because now that we've gone through a few adjectives, it'll be good to increase your vocabulary of nouns. So, have a wonderful day, and I will see you back next time when you're ready to learn about family. Bye!